Hello everyone, how to add gradient background to video. So let's start. Click on the create a new video. Wait for the few seconds to open here. And to add the gradient background, go to the left hand side and click on the content library. Click on the visual drop downs arrow. Select here the backgrounds. And here you can see the different background color is showing. Black, white, other color and gradient. To add the gradient in timeline, just drag and drop here your timeline. Here the gradient background is added. Then select the gradient background and go to the right hand side and here you can see the color option. Click on it and you can click on this color icon and you can select here the different gradient color. You can see different gradient color you can add. You can add the extra color also. Just click on the add color and select another color. You can see the color is added. Okay, see the changes over here. Again, I click on the add color. Now I select here the another color. See here the changes, the color is added. Okay. Again, I click on the back and select here the color. See the changes over here, your gradient preview showing here. Okay. After that, if you want to add any video, just go to the My Media left hand side and click on the import media. So here I select the one video and click on the open. And I just drag the video and drop in my timeline. Make sure your background and video is both aligned. Just drag this corner and set both. And when you click on this video, you can see in preview also video selected. Just drag the corner point and you can decrease the size of your video preview and set here. Okay. After that, I go to the left hand side and click on the content library. And here I cancel this. Now I search here the frame. So I just type here frame. Okay. And here you can see the different type of frame is showing. So now I just drag and add this frame in my timeline. And here you can see the frame is added. You can decrease the size as per your need. So here I decrease the size. Okay, and set here. Now I play video and see the changes over here. After all done, click on the export and just type here your file name. So I just add here how to add gradient background. Okay, to video. If you don't want to store in cloud, just turn off this and click on the export and that's it. So this is the way you can add gradient background to video. Hope you understood. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you.